Quick tech tip for parents out there who may be struggling to help their kids with homework. I know the new math that our kids bring home isn't quite the way we learned it, or they might even be talking about a subject matter that isn't still quite fresh in the memory banks anymore. So if you need some help in helping your kids do their homework, take a look at the website WolframAlpha.com. It is an AI-based website, and it's extremely helpful. It's got from every subject matter, from mathematics, science and technology, society and culture, and everyday life. You can actually ask it everyday questions that your kids may call homework, and it will not only give you the answer, but more importantly, it actually breaks down how it got to the answer. I know this is really helpful, especially like in mathematics equations. So give that a look and see if you can look a little smarter to your kids, and hopefully you can help them, and the entire household can be a little less frustrated. Follow us for more small business tips and give us a call if we can help.